All right, so right here we have the Vicrez Auto Care Pro Clay Bar Lubricant. And the purpose of this product is meant to give your car a really smooth and glossy finish. And also with the clay bar and lubricant, it kind of get rid of any of those like micro dust, air pollution, brake dust of the car. And the process of this is pretty much very simple. First of all, you want to do a section at a time. So right here for this example, we're going to do it on the hood. You want to wash the car real quick. So this section, the hood, you want to give it a really good wash. So get rid of any like big dirt or anything like that. So we kind of did already with the Waterless Pro, kind of wipe it down real quick already. And after that, you just want to spray this directly on to this and use the clay bar to kind of give it, to wipe it down. All right, so for the clay bar, you just want to take a chunk of this. So you want to roll it into like a little disc, and you kind of just want to stretch it and keep pressing it until you made it into a small disc. And also for the clay bar, you want to keep this clean. If you drop this on the floor, you just want to pretty much pick up a new clay from the bar itself. After that, you just want to grab the solution here, which is the lubricant, and you want to spray this on the hood. And you want to actually spray this a lot so the clay doesn't scratch. So after you spray it, you pretty much would want to grab the bar, and you just want to do like an up and down motion. And you want to pretty much spray a lot of lubricant so it doesn't scratch, and pretty much you want to have this like really smooth gliding feeling onto the clay. If you feel like the clay is getting stuck or is not gliding smoothly, you just want to spray more lubricant right here. So right now, do you want to just go up and down motion, just gliding it. Right now, you want to also do this section at a time. So after you have the clay bar pretty much gliding across really smoothly, you just want to grab like a cloth and towel and just wipe it. All right, so as you can see, the clay bar, there's some kind of like black dots. That's like all the micro dust. And this is pretty much all the pollution, whatever dust particle that it has on it. So for that, you kind of just want to re-knead your dough or re-knead your clay. So pretty much you just want to repeat this process throughout the area that you're doing. Remember, you want to do this section at a time, so it's just easier to work with, so it doesn't, you're not using too much of the clay. All right, so after we just finished with the clay and the lubricant, so pretty much the next step after this, you just want to wax your car, and that's the wax and the protected shield is going to make it a really good, nice, clean, smooth, glossy finish.